game launch blocked by the IPXWrapper Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. To start the walkthrough for IPXWrapper Library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the IPXWrapper Library, a specialized library used to emulate the obsolete IPX and SPX network protocol over modern TCP/IP. It is mandatory for retro games, like StarCraft or Red Alert, to play over a LAN on Windows 10 and 11. If missing, the multiplayer menu in legacy games will report that IPX is not installed. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. The IPXWrapper Library DLL library is bundled specifically for IPXWrapper Project operations, and you must run the official setup for the program, encountering the error to repair the broken links and restore the missing data. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the IPXWrapper library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Most individual downloads of IPXWrapper Library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and IPXWrapper library synchronization. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for IPXWrapper Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support